Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you what is hosting and how we can buy it. Okay, so hosting is something whenever we create a website, so we need to store the data. Okay, so we need something where we can store data. We can store our data in our laptop, but this one is not accessible by everyone, right? So how we can do this? So we'll buy one server from the we can buy it from the GoDaddy, we can buy it from the Hostinger, HostGator. There are a lot of platform where we can buy the hosting. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to buy the hosting. We already have discussed about what is domain name and how to buy domain name. Now we are planning how we can buy the hosting. Okay, so let me show you so just search here GoDaddy hosting. Okay, like this, and let's just sign out web hosting. So let's see, and let me just explain you. See plan and pricing. As you can see here, that's the hosting, and they have a multiple plan. Okay, so as you can see, web hosting is starter. So in this plan you will get this in 79 INR monthly. Okay, so what is this? This is something we can have only one website in this overall storage. We can use only one database. We can have the 10 GB storage. So this is the overall configuration we will get in our hosting. This is something like you will get a new laptop, okay, something like that, and you are storing your whole files over here like this. Okay, if you want to buy the if you have a larger website, so you can go with all these other options. But make sure if you have like just a basic website or static website, you can go with the very basic plan. Okay, and if you want to create a e-commerce website like a Flipkart or Amazon, so you should buy some some plan, like you should have the large storage. But there is one more option, like all these are just a shared hosting. What is shared hosting? Shared hosting is something like they will give you the space, but they will give you the same space to the multiple people. Maybe it can be for 10 people or 100 people. Okay, and when you buy the another hosting, that is called VPS hosting. Okay, virtual private server. It means they will give you the particular storage, or particular you can say the laptop. That laptop will give you, and that's totally only for you. Okay, so you can store the data. If you want to modify something, you can do anything over there, but it will cost too much higher for the starting. So maybe it can cost you $100 monthly something. Okay, so if you want to build a very large website, then you should go VPS, but I just suggest you to just start with this basic. Okay, now let's 70 buy. Just click on buy now. Done. Okay, and as you can see here, this is the card value. As you can see here, 12 month, 24 months. So I'm gonna go with 12 month. Okay, then continue. So as you can see, create an account and sign in. You just need to create an account and make just payment. That's it. Now what is the plan, how we can connect both? So in the next video we will learn, if you buy the hosting from some other platform, and if you buy the domain name from the other platform like Namecheap or GoDaddy, then how can I connect both? Okay, how my domain name will know that where is my storage? How can I get the access of my storage? Okay, so because domain name have to display the overall data, right? So how we can connect them, we'll learn about in this next video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask one comment. Please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye bye.